Today I'm honored to unveil our new school with all of you. It is a time to celebrate and reflect on how far we have come to celebrate such a great achievement of our people with the school district in Canada. Our nation has had a vision to build this new school to teach our children valuable education that is balanced in the Western world and our Snuneymuxw way of life.
And I hold all the teachings with open hands, and I encourage all our staff to do the same because we have a lot of unlearning to do. All of us, right? And we need to be open to receive and hold lightly what we think. And as Auntie Joan says, the sacred teachings of this land just screaming out for what our children need, and we need to be open to that. So I'm grateful to the people that have come before me. I'm grateful to the courage that they give me. And so I raise my hands for the Snuneymuxw people. And I raise my hands to the elders, knowledge keepers, and those of community to please come to this place. The teachings are yours to share. And so we humbly ask your permission to be here, to work with your children, to love them, and to contribute with you in working together for their future. So, I'd say after Qwam
I really embrace change. Like change is healing for our people. Like we've been, put on the back burner for a lot of years with education, with culture, with language, and now the school district is making that mandatory. The people that put this in place are gone now. And now the younger generation can actually see it and feel it, and it's healing and it's exciting, like to see what happened today and to hear the songs, the beautiful songs. It just, you could see that every person in that gym felt it, and that's what we want. We want them to take that away and share that.
My highlight through the summer was being here. I have been here all summer, getting everything ready, just being the person with the keys to open the door. So seeing all the different people come in and come together to put this amazing building to what it is right now, that was my highlight, to see everything come about. And what I'm excited for is the school year is our new partnership with the School District 68. This partnership is going to build a lot of relationships, and it's going to do something amazing for our children. We've already thrown away all of our old curriculums, and we're ready to start something new.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell.